This Christmas, Sandringham became a scene of festive joy and royal elegance as Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis charmed onlookers on their way to church. The young royals, accompanied by their parents, Prince William and Princess Kate, brought an air of warmth to the traditional Christmas Day service at St. Mary Magdalene Church. King Charles III and Queen Camilla walked alongside the family, embodying unity in the face of a challenging year. Kate captivated in a regal green coat paired with a plaid scarf, while Charlotte's adorable navy peacoat added a dash of youthful charm. George, Louis, and William mirrored their royal polish in coordinated navy jackets, perfectly complementing the wintry backdrop. This year's festivities held a deeper emotional resonance. Both King Charles and Princess Kate had faced private battles with cancer, demonstrating immense courage. Kate's hosting of her cherished Christmas carol service earlier in December reflected her unwavering spirit and commitment to royal traditions. In his moving Christmas address, King Charles acknowledged the resilience of his family and the support of healthcare professionals, sharing, "The strength we offer one another defines our humanity." His heartfelt message of gratitude and community struck a poignant chord. Princess Anne, known for her tireless dedication, was a cornerstone of support for the family. Completing over 200 royal engagements this year, she stood by King Charles during his recovery and continued to embody the reliability that defines her role in the monarchy. Yet the celebration was marked by noticeable absences. Prince Harry, Meghan Markle, and their children remained in California, keeping their distance from royal traditions since stepping away from their senior roles, leaving questions about shifting dynamics within the royal fold. Despite these changes, Sandringham's traditions prevail, from exchanging humorous gifts on Christmas Eve to savoring a festive meal and King Charles's televised Christmas message. The royal family upheld their cherished customs. The festivities concluded with the beloved Boxing Day pheasant shoot, a quintessential hallmark of royal holiday celebrations. In a year defined by resilience and transformation, Christmas at Sandringham once again proved the enduring power of family and tradition.